Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. This is Aio. Today I'll be doing my daily gesture drawings and I will be drawing 10 60-second poses. The video will be in real time, so make sure you grab a pencil or a pen, piece of paper, and feel free to join me. So let's go. It's early morning and I'm starting. Okay. This way. I do count the center line sometimes, but yeah. Leg goes this way. Leg goes this way. I used to be afraid of these, how should I say, these different poses, like a bit difficult poses, but yeah. This is a female body. I'm gonna make her chest a bit smaller. I didn't think things through. Next. Okay. Every time I draw these gesture drawings, I have to keep telling myself, calm down, breathe in. Okay. I don't know, but I personally like drawing a box for the male characters. I think it should be a bit lower. I don't have time to do anything else. Okay, this way. I don't know why my gesture drawings suck in the morning. I want to exaggerate his walk a little bit. Yeah. Getting the feel of it is more important. Let's draw a little tiny circle. Okay. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Draw a little circle here. This one will be behind. Yesterday I did 60 poses. I think one day I will do 100 60-second poses. It's gonna take me a long time. 4. Big circle for male body. Let me draw this out already, the arms. Looks like he's jumping. Yeah, he is. Most of these poses, since I won't be drawing any full body portraits or drawings anytime soon, I'm drawing gesture drawings to kind of understand the movement of the body. But with time I will use them in like because I plan on creating a webcomic, so I might use them. But most of the reasons why I study gesture drawings is to study anatomy. I'm getting a better understanding of the human body, the muscles and all of that, so it's quite good. The head. Feel like his body's twisted. So his chest is this way. draw a box. You can see this side of the box. The leg goes this way. This leg. I want to make his legs a bit longer. Right now it's 5 a.m. in my country when I'm recording this. Do you guys ever wake up from your sleep just to draw? Maybe I just have an obsession, because I do wake up. Okay, I'm trying to finish one drawing, but it's not working out the way I planned. Maybe I shouldn't panic so much. Okay, slowly. I want to finish one. I don't want to panic when I look at the timer, but okay. Her arms are going backwards. Her arms are foreshortened. Okay, 4 more to go. Is this called the Naruto run? I'm not sure. I don't watch manga or anything, but I try to know more about it because my friends like manga and anime. I would like to live in Japan one day, but I don't necessarily watch anime or manga. And why is his leg so at this point I really don't care if it looks messy. I'm trying to use as less lines as I possibly can, but it's not working out for me. Circle here should go in this way. I'm trying to use less lines, and I'm trying to make the entire pose more dynamic. By exaggerating the poses. So I need to practice that more rather than trying to be perfect, having. But yeah. This way. So I'm trying to create this dynamic curve, straight, curve, straight. Even with the arms, where the hand opens up, it goes inwards, and it will go the opposite direction. So just remember that when you are drawing, where the hand opens up. And when you're doing gesture, you have to think about a lot of things, but to build good habits. I'm slowly getting there compared to before. This leg is straight. Let's move this leg this way. Hopefully with practice I will create more dynamic, more flowy gesture drawings with time. So okay. So looking down, so this way. think I should plan on this way. Also, when I'm doing gesture drawings, I try to draw the feet and the hands if I can. Sometimes it's really hard. This way. So this should go in this way, yeah. And I try to draw the hands and the feet to add more character. It's done. I didn't finish this one. Let me finish it. You can't finish it. Okay. There we go. My 60-second poses. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I know I didn't talk a lot, but yes, that is all for today's 60-second poses draw along with me. I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you like this content, and what else? Yeah, that's about it. You can check out my Patreon for more tutorials and painting studies, as well as painting characters and fan art and all of that. So make sure to check out my Patreon if you would like to support me. I also have prints that I'm uploading. You can find that in the description box below. Okay, everybody, that's all for today's video. Have a great day. Bye.